CrimeWave Chronicles.
Camera on, so oh, fuck up your screwdriver. Pry bar? Put it on the other hand, huh? May have to. I think if we hammered that in there. Some guy has to turn his guns and he doesn't know how to get into this thing. He says, go ahead and break it, I don't care. Alright. Oh, there's a gun in there, that's all we know.
This was $1 million.
So I got my camera on, so if you and I find it.
That's a nice little safe there.
I've got one of these. It's got the biometric on the front, but this is an expensive one. They make cheaper ones. It's like $60, and it takes one print. So your thumbprint or your fingerprint or whatever, and you can cable it under your seat. Thing works like I got it on Amazon for like $60.
Okay.
It's these are more expensive. These are more for like for the house or something, but it's an expensive firearm.
Well, he did a crime and now you got to turn him.
No, he married a stripper. He's a millionaire. He's got a big boat and a big house, and he married a stripper. And she turned around and said, yeah, he beats me. And they said, all right, you got to get out. And so.
Also, he lost his gun privileges.
He lost his gun privileges. So now he had to. Come on.
What is behind the building? Charlie 28.
It's going to turn off.
Please like and subscribe.